Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to direct test hiring opportunity. Two companies direct test is there, no shortlisting. You have to apply now for opportunity. 21 to 25 batch can apply. Let's start the video. Before starting the video, I have one request from all of you. Like and share the video, as well as with the help of everyone's support, we are nominated for Topmate Creators Award. This is hardly take your 2 to 3 minutes to cast your valuable vote. Okay, it is free, and this award is dedicated to online learning family. You have to click on upvote now 5 times. Okay, this is very simple process, and you have to click on sign and claim. Thank you for your voting. Okay, it will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes. Let's win this award. The first direct test opportunity is Jobathon 36 hiring challenge, biggest opportunity on 21st, like on the 21st August your test will be scheduled. This type of message you will receive: registration successful for Jobathon 36 hiring challenge on 21st August at 8 p.m. Okay, DSA practice problem, everything is there. Go to contest. You will receive this type of mail if you are freshers. Okay, if you are freshers and experienced professional including final year student and recent pass out with 0 year of experience, you can apply. And just see that many candidates already placed in this. Okay, so Jobathon like hiring challenges: 3 DSA coding problem, 5 MCQ on programming logic, logical reasoning and quantitative aptitude. Okay, this is the first direct test opportunity, and 21 to 25 batch can easily apply for that. Next opportunity is from Samespace. They are hiring for Android developer and front-end developer. Both two roles are there, and direct test is there. When you click on apply now button, so they will ask your details, and after that they will send this type of mail: direct test. Okay, test link will be there, and this type of message: hi Lokesh, thank you for your interest. This is the 40 minutes skill test. Okay, so according to your interest, apply for any one opportunity. This is skills based opportunity. Batch is not mentioned, so if you are freshers experience, you can try according to the skill set. Okay, you will receive this type of message, and like this is for front end developer and this is for Android developer. Okay, and this is related to Jobathon. Next and last opportunity is from Revature. They are hiring for entry level software developer. BE, BTech, MCA, MSc can apply. 23-24 batch. Okay, it is a stipend, and this is the hiring process. The form is still open. Apply for opportunity and fill this form. All hirings are very good for everyone, and I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching the video and share this video with your friends.